Okay, what do we have today?
If perfection is achieved when there's nothing left to take away, then let me introduce you to the perfect connector for appliance and industrial applications. Molex 2.5mm board-in connectors are a one-piece connector that's soldered directly to the PCB to make a cost-effective, space-saving, and reliable connection. Housings are available in both vertical and right angle versions with 2 to 6 positions on a 2.5mm pitch, and they can be assembled with vertical or right angle crimp terminals for application flexibility. The connectors feature an improved terminal pin position that makes assembly fast and efficient. Molex 2.5mm board-in connectors are rated for up to 125 volts and 3 amps, and they have an operating temperature of up to 125 degrees Celsius.